when you are here, the sudden rise of the wave will make it steep. If you are here, not as steep, okay, then the drop will be gentle. If you are here, you pedal fast enough, then you can angle your board. When you are here, it will start to drop. Three things you have to bear in mind. The first one is, don't get panicked like, oh no, I'm going to wipe out. You should have an attitude of, there's a drop there, that's where the speed, okay, will increase. In surfing, whenever the speed stops, then the surfing stops. But whenever there's speed, it just depends on whether you can handle them or you can't handle them. Okay, so it's actually a very good chance for you to handle the greater speed on this kind of drop. So when it drops, this is the first thing you do. Bear in mind that it is not that you're going to wipe out. You should take it first. Unless you're already over, you will thrown away. As long as you're with the wave, there's a chance for you to ride the wave. The second thing is, well, keep your gravity, center of gravity low, okay, and then take the wave. Okay, once you got comfortable, then slowly stand up. So there's a few techniques. Okay, one of the techniques will be drop knee. That means that you really stay close to the board. So I'll be showing you now. When the board starts to go down, okay, the drop, what you want to do, maybe you have timing of your catching wave is a bit too late, or maybe the wave is steep today, low tide, good wave, offshore wind. So what can you do? You found that it is going down, you gotta shift your weight behind. Okay, so put the leg and don't stand, because once you stand it's even more unstable. Just stay low and then lift your leg and put in between the leg and hold it, hold it, hold it this way, hold it this way. Okay, so rest your leg on it. Then when it got steady, stand up. Okay, so best everything do in the middle of the board, as we always mention. What is the biggest challenge for this drop knee pose? The flexibility, especially that point where you have to take the leg and then put in between your hand. Okay, so let me show you here. See, pedal. It's going down. Do this. If you don't have flexibility, you end up this, because you can't lift the head. And when you end up kneeling, it's difficult for transition and it's not stable at all. See? Okay, so straight away up and lift up. Do it in the middle of the board, this one. So this one really needs some flexibility. Then drop your knee. This one needs flexibility, this one needs flexibility. But at least the flexibility part you can solve it during the non-surfing time. Okay, and then hold it. So you still have your hand holding. And feel the board. Your center of gravity is very low. So then it's easier for you. So you can go to the back, you can go to the front. Okay, you can go here, you can go here. Once you get steady, you know that you are in the middle of the board. Okay. So in future, when you are in this situation, always think that that is actually the right point to take the wave. If you got thrown, that's another method. That is wipe out. Yeah, thank you.